everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. We are in the midst of the gratitude collab this month. Me and Jovi at Creating with Jovi are hosting, and we have 9 other collaborators that are joining us. This week is our first prompt to build our journal and to reflect on different reasons that we're thankful. Particularly, we'll be talking about this week scents that remind us of home and that kind of thing. Part of my kit are these fun, easy to make bookmark magnets. So all you really need is this sheet. You really don't have to do much else but just cut these out because they're already ready for you. And then a sheet of magnetic paper that is self-adhesive, and you can see right here, or you can get the kind that you apply your own glue. So this has adhesive already on the back. Couldn't be much easier. And I thought this would be great as you go throughout the month and maybe even at Thanksgiving to give these to your family as a bookmark. So let's show you how to make them really easily and how they work. As I go ahead and cut these out from my page, out of my kit, I'm going to just mention a couple of things to you that you may want to check into. Like, for instance, I'm doing a giveaway. These magnetic bookmarks are so cute. Anyway, I'm doing a giveaway, and that was in the beginning of the video. I shared a little bit about that and how you enter. So you have to go to the November 1st video to enter. And then I just want to remind you to go check out Jovi's kit on her Etsy shop, or in her Etsy shop. And it is called Cozy Autumn. And it is so beautiful. And it has a lot of blue tones in it. And it's just really, really pretty for the season. Also, I have some freebies that you'll want to get. Even if you can't get this kit or are not able to print it, I have some prompts for you that are free. You can go get those from my Ko-Fi site. Also on my Ko-Fi site are the challenges for this month. So even if you can't print them, you can save them on your phone or computer so you can refer to them. All right, so now we've cut those out. I'm going to keep my trimmer over to the side though. And I want to show you the width of them. And you may want to trim them a little more. You may want to ink them, but you don't have to. So they are about 1.5 inches wide. And they fold right here on this fold line. And I even give you the fold line right there. Okay. So then you're going to apply your magnetic sheet here and here so that they close. So let me grab my magnetic sheet. I'm going to go ahead and cut these to fit for my all 5 of my bookmarks, 4 of my 5 bookmarks, and then we're going to put them together. Okay, so I have all of mine cut, and I cut it on my trimmer, and I cut it 1 3/8 so it fits just inside there. And then I'm just going to cut it just short of the height of this fold. So it is actually 3.5 inches. So I want to cut this about 3.25 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 of those for you. All right, so then you just take the backing off of your magnetic sheet, and that's why I went ahead and got the adhesive kind. And I'm just going to line that up on here, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. And again, you can embellish them more if you want to, but then they close like that. So you'll have your book, and you just open it up and say, oh, I'm reading at this place. And then that holds in my book, and it's a cool magnetic sheet. And so I'm going to put the rest of these together and maybe do just a little tad inking, but I'm not going to do much embellishment because I don't want them to be too thick for books that my friends might read. Okay, these are all 5 of the bookmarks, and they turned out so adorable. I hope that you enjoyed this. This is so easy to make a little gift for a friend. So I've got my little book here, and just say we want to save my page right here, and I'm just going to take my bookmark, put it in, and there we go. And I can turn my book upside down. It doesn't fall out. I can easily see where my bookmark is and flip open to it, and it does not hurt my page or anything. And what a cute, cute idea, and easy to make. So I hope you'll try it out. If you have the kit, it is in your kit. You don't have to have the kit. You can make your own. These are really, really adorable, about 3.5 inches. So you would have 7 inches, so you can fold it, and about 1 3/4, 2 inches wide. So anyway, enjoy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.